7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
You'll never have the sacred stone.
Do you have it in you to win the best fashion design of 2018 at the Avas International Fashion Fest? The fashion industry is one of the biggest and more widespread industries, booming year on year, expanding innovative ideas, improved modules, trendy styles, and new people. This is because fashion is a way of life, source of inspiration, and a living proof of creativity. The best fashion is the limelight of key players in this humongous industry and can be reflected time and again in different events. Avas Cosmetics, a popular name among the best players of fashion in the world, is coming up with the Avas International Fashion Fest in the month of June 2018. Through this Fashion Fest, international brand Avas opens up a sea of opportunities for all those people, young adults and olds, to come forth with their brilliant ideas and execute them in various categories of cosmetic, art, and fashion in this event. One of the most sought after categories in the International Fashion Fest hosted by Avas is fashion designing, and all applicants with a flair for fashion designing can showcase their talents on this international platform. This fashion is one of the best opportunities for everyone, especially new talent waiting for breakthrough into fashion designing. As this International Fashion Fest shall come to pass in the middle of the new year, Avas reveals its manifesto of not only engaging the audience but also providing new people different openings to display their talent and art. So if you're among one of those and believe in yourself, set your feet tapping towards the venue and win yourself the award of the best fashion design of 2018 on this day. Avas is opening the door for all such aspiring candidates interested in this forfeit, where you will be evaluated and appreciated. It is an excellent chance for international recognition among renowned celebrities and designers who have made a mark upon Bollywood and the fashion industry. The platform can be profitably leveraged by candidates confident of their craft, and you can gain the recognition and re-own what you're looking for. Avas has always been open to new ideas and new talent. This Fashion Fest will set stage in 92 Waverly Street, Yonkers, New York, USA 101701 in June 2018, and will see the light of the day, innumerable candidates as the dream coming to life. This is your opportunity to invent, innovate, and express through your work the best design in your creativity store and win the recognition and fame for the best fashion design of 2018. More information on Avas International Fashion Fest, get in touch with Amisha Kiri Hit from Avas Cosmetics and visit her website info@avascosmetic.com to register for the event with just $500. So without any further delay, register on the website and set the wheels in motion. Bring out the best decorative self as we await seeing you as a world-class fashion designer with your victory for the best fashion design of the 2018 at the Avas International Fashion Fest.